Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you 40 moments that are so insane you wouldn't believe they happened if they weren't caught on camera. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because you do not want to miss this. First up, imagine playing a regular football match in South America when suddenly a dust devil, you know, those little whirlwinds, decides to join the game. I mean, talk about an unexpected guest. Next, have you ever seen someone get a little too excited by van commercials? This kid was totally overwhelmed, but it made for an unforgettable moment. Is it pure luck or just unimaginable skills? You decide. Now here's something you don't see every day. Professional motorcyclist Gary Rothwell pulled off an unbelievable stunt where he dragged himself behind a motorcycle using titanium sole boots. Yeah, you heard that right. He even broke the Guinness World Record for the fastest speed dragged behind a motorcycle. I don't think anyone's going to try breaking that one anytime soon. Alright, let's get into some more jaw-dropping moments. This next clip shows a daring rescue where a firefighter saved a kitten stranded on a high ledge. It's heartwarming and nerve-wracking all at once. How about a bear casually walking into a convenience store? Yep, this bear decided it was time for a snack and strolled right in. The store clerk's reaction is priceless. And speaking of animals, you've got to see this clip of a dog pulling off some incredible skateboarding tricks. Move over, Tony Hawk, there's a new skater in town. Ever seen a car narrowly avoid a massive landslide? This driver had some quick reflexes and a whole lot of luck on their side. It's like something straight out of an action movie. Alright folks, make sure to comment down below which of these clips shocked you the most. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.